Hello, Joe here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm super excited to be sharing the features and benefits of our all-new Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. We've designed our new Supreme Plus model to be compact but still packed with Luvele's superior vacuum sealing technology. Our groundbreaking features include the following. First is our Smart Seal technology, which allows you to seal up to 100 bags in a row without the seal element overheating. Our Smart Seal feature regulates the element's temperature so you can process your larger vacuum sealing jobs without having to pause between seals. Next is our Dual Seal line. Our Supreme Plus comes with 2 seal elements. This provides extra strength and durability for your vacuum sealed bags. Third is our Easy Lock handle, which allows you to close the lid of your vacuum sealer without having to apply any force to the lid. This makes using the Supreme Plus super convenient. The Easy Lock handle also helps to protect the foam gaskets during storage. Please check out the video link below on how to maintain and look after your foam gaskets. Our Supreme Plus vacuum sealer also comes with a 120 watt motor, internal storage and a bag roll cutter, vacuum pressure setting options, and is covered by our Luvele 1-year warranty. Lastly, our Supreme Plus is compatible with our Luvele Fresh vacuum container sets. We have linked another video below with a demo of our vacuum containers in action with our Supreme Plus, so be sure to check that out. Okay, so let's show you a demo of the Supreme Plus in action. First up, we need to cut some bag roll to size. Place the bag roll in the bag roll holder and pull out a length of bag for your salmon. Use the bag roll cutter to slice off your selection of vacuum bag. Place an open end of your bag in the vacuum chamber. Then close the lid and push down into the lock position. Once the lid's locked into place, we're going to press the seal button. Once the seal button light has turned off, open the Easy Lock handle and you can see one end of the bag has been sealed shut. Now that we've created our bag, we're going to place some salmon inside to be vacuum sealed. When you're packing your bag, be sure to leave a few centimeters between the top of the food and the seal line to get the best results. Now we're going to place the open end of the bag into the vacuum chamber, ready for vacuum sealing. Close the lid and press down on the Easy Lock handle into the lock position. Now that's locked into position, we're ready to vacuum seal our salmon. For our vacuum pressure settings, we're going to select normal and moist. Now that's all set, we simply press the vacuum and seal button. The Easy Lock handle is ready to open once the vacuum and seal button lights have switched off. Simply lift up the Easy Lock handle and remove your bag. And there we have it, perfectly vacuum sealed salmon ready for storage. Thanks for watching and be sure to jump onto the Luvele website to place your order for the all-new Supreme Plus vacuum sealer. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular healthy recipes and new product launches. Bye for now.